This video, we're going to talk about how do you make money from Facebook using AI. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. So here is the agenda for today's class, making money from Facebook using AI. And 5 topics I want to talk about. Number 1, the program that pays us on Facebook, it's called Facebook Content Monetization. What is it? And you can see, I'll show you some numbers. I'll show you the back end of some of our pages. Number 2, how am I making money from Facebook? Number 3, this is what you are here for, right? The AI tool I am using, and we'll do a step-by-step demo of that tool. And also bonus, stay till the end, because I'm going to show you, once you use this tool, you can set up hands-free automation. That means you don't have to touch anything. The AI tool will do all the content ideation, creation, everything, posting too. And you can just sit back, relax. Obviously, you got to monitor, you got to manage everything. Direct, I say. But this is amazing. So let's talk about what is Facebook's content monetization. So this is kind of like a YouTube partner program. But the good thing is on Facebook, you get paid for everything. Videos, reels, stories, text posts. You can see here, here's one of our page. Last 28 days, $193. Here is another page. Last 28 days, $142. And we have 10s, 20s plus of these pages. Here is another page, $169. Here is one more page. And actually, this page was just monetized, I believe, 2 or 3 days ago. So that's why you'll see like a really low number here. So just $2, but it is recently monetized. And we were able to use this AI tool that I'm gonna show you to get this page monetized as well. And once I click and see right here, it got monetized just 2 days ago. If I go to content monetization, you can see you will get paid for posting reels, posting photos, and posting text. So in a way, the Facebook content monetization program is much better than YouTube, because you get on YouTube, you get paid for videos. But here you get paid for text posts, the text that you're posting. You get paid for the photos and reels and everything. All right, now let's jump into the tool I am using and also the demo, step-by-step demo of that tool, because I know you're waiting for that. The tool is Marblism. This is one of my favorite, one of my go-to AI tools. What this tool does is it actually gives you AI employees to scale your business. These employees are social media manager, lead generation expert, SEO expert, and you can use these to grow your business. Let me log in, and then we'll look at the dashboard from inside. So here you go. When I log in, let me switch. You can see right here, this is my dashboard, pretty simple, and you can see all 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6 AI employees or AI agents that help me grow my business. And the one we're going to focus on today, we're going to talk about today is Sony, the social media manager, because Sony automates all of that content on my Facebook pages and also help us make money from content monetization, Facebook content monetization program. So once you log in, it's pretty straightforward. What you want to do is add a new workspace, and think of workspace as let's say if you have a Facebook page, maybe you have a business, a brand. If you work with multiple clients like we do, you can attach their pages and into a workspace. So when you get started, just enter your role, details and everything. It's pretty straightforward, the website link, and it will set up that workspace for you. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it. So let me log into or go back to one of the workspaces. And you can set up executive assistant, Eva, blog writer, everything here. So think of these as your 6 AI employees, right? So instead of humans, you have AI employees who will do different tasks. And now let me show you this. So this page, this workspace is about a political page that we manage. It's all about politics and left and right and stuff like that. But you can see Sony every single day, it creates these posts for me. Actually, before we talk about that, let me talk about this top one, the right here too. So once you set up Sony or add a workspace, we'll talk about chat and post later on, but if you click on guidelines, so you can set up different guidelines. So these are different instructions, different themes that you can tell Sony to follow for your Facebook page. So you can set up writing style, you can image styles and everything. So you can change, edit all of these. If you go here, settings, you can connect different social media accounts. Right now, only Facebook is connected for this business, but you can connect others too. You can set up tone. So here is the Facebook page link, because we wanted it to follow the tone of that page. You can add your logo. I'm not using anything right now. Post engine, improve post generation. That's one of their new features. So turn this thing on. So that's the basic setup. Let's go back to chat now. You can see Sony is creating all of these amazing graphics, Facebook posts for me, and also posting it. If you go to posts, you can see here, today is Sunday, July 26th. So here's different posts that are already scheduled. These two are already posted, and it's gonna post these. These are coming up. Yesterday it posted all these. Today it posted all the day before, and here's day before. If I go to that page, you can see, here's that page. This just recently got monetized just a couple of days ago, but you can see we were following that strategy with the help of Marblism to create this content. Imagine if you were doing this manually using Canva. Can you imagine how much time it would take? And here, Marblism, I just told, if I go back, right now I've done 100% automation, but if you go back, let's see if I can go back a few days ago. Even if you don't do the automation, you just chat with Sony and it will set up everything for you. Let's see if I can find it. It's actually back. So in the chat, you can just say, hey, Sony, find the viral political post from last 24 hours and then create Facebook post for me, and then you can give it direction. By the way, there's a section called, or tab called Brain. You can upload your images, websites, documents. So this is sort of, think of this as a brain. Sony or the AI, the Marblism will follow these instructions. So if you want to train Marblism, train AI employees on your business, because you may have your own image styles, branding, your own speak tone. So you can upload your documents and have Sony follow it. This is kind of like a Facebook page for us. So we're not doing anything here, but for some of our other pages, we are dumping a lot of stuff or adding a lot of stuff into the brain. Let's go back. So now let's talk about, actually, let me show you how I speak with Sony on one of the other workspaces so you get an idea. On the political page, it was way up because now it's all automated. But this is a really good example. I did this yesterday for this brand. So I told Sony, I want to show you my instructions. Here is my instructions right here. Just read this. Can you find 6 most viral news stories on Reddit in last 24 hours? Guess what? Sony found it, just like a good employee. So it found 6. And then I said, okay, let's create Facebook posts for these. And then I gave it instruction, Facebook post, text needs to be. By the way, if you want these prompts that I'm using, comment below. I can create a separate video about how can you prompt AI to get the best result. Or I can also add these in the comments too. So let me know in the comments if you're interested into how I prompt AI to get the best results. But you can see right here, I'm giving it the instructions, the exact thing I want. For the post text, the length and everything. For the graphics, I'm saying create a breaking news style graphic, the size, and also the specific directions. And guess what? Sony, like a good employee, did everything for me. So this is kind of like the AI chat. You tell it what to do, it will do it for you. You can create code graphics for your business. You can have Sony say, hey, go do research. I'm in the real estate business. Go do research and then tell me what should I post. Sony will also give you ideas on what to post. Now, that was the step-by-step demo. Once you set everything up, you can just chat with Sony, ask Sony for ideas. It will give you ideas, and then have it create graphics, give it instructions, give it the branding style, upload the branding style to your brain. You'll see here in this business, for this page, we have uploaded some of the stuff that we tell Sony to follow sometimes. Now, the bonus part, how do you automate so you don't have to do this every single day? It becomes hands-free, right? So let's talk about that. Let me go back, switch back to the political page, because that was a good example. So now you notice it's all Sony. Sony did this today, right? And then yesterday, and then day before. Let's go back up. So I'm not even instructing Sony to do this on daily basis, right? Sony is smart enough to do this. So how did I set up this hands-free automation using Marblism? And by the way, hopefully you can see now, Marblism is one of my favorite AI tools. And by the way, there's a link below in the description, my affiliate link, but I absolutely love this tool, and it has just changed our whole process of managing social media accounts, Facebook, monetization, also Instagram, LinkedIn. We have separate processes that we're using for ourselves and also for our clients. So it has literally changed the way our agency works. So again, the link is going to be below. Marblism, it is my affiliate link. Now, how do you set up the hands-free automation? It's super, super simple. If you come here, you see this section called tasks. So if you go here, and here is the task, the daily task that's set up. It's super simple instruction. I want that task to run every day at 5 a.m. And then it will search the 7 viral political news stories. It will create graphics, and then it will schedule and post them on these times. That's it. Once I set up this task, I don't do it. You don't have to do it like this. You can say create and then tell me or message me, and then I will approve and then schedule it. You can do it any way that you want. It is just an employee. You will give instructions, it will follow it for you. But I've set up the hands-free automation. Let me show you one more, which is also really interesting. Another page that we have set up. So if I go to Sony, this is our food page in the food niche. You can see every single day Sony is creating these graphics and posting on the times that I told. So in the beginning, I told it to create these graphics, but now I have hands-free automation set up. So let's actually see if I can show you that page. So here you go, here's that page. You can see right here, this is another page in the content monetization. I don't think I showed the money we're making from this page, but it's good. You can see, go to the photos, and you can see here are all the graphics that are being created, designed, and posted by Sony Marblism without me doing anything. This is really a game changer. If you manage Facebook pages, number one, everyone, I think this is one of the best side hustles. You can actually, I've seen people who are making thousands of dollars. We are now in the process of creating processes to scale this up. But we have a lot of pages in the monetization program. We want to take all of these pages one by one to like above 4 or 5 figures from the Facebook monetization program using Marblism. By going back here, you can see now, if I go back to Marblism and go to Sony, my social media manager, you can see Sony is doing everything hands-free without my direction. And like I said in the beginning, you don't have to set up like this. You can set up your processes any way you want. And again, if you go to task, and here's the daily task that's set up. It runs every day. Here's the time, and then here are instructions. Unfreaking believable. So again, Marblism is the tool that I am using to automate all of our content posting on Facebook across many Facebook pages. And this has literally saved us a lot of time and money, because we used to use tools like Canva, Hootsuite, Buffer, a lot of other tools, but now all of them gone. Marblism is all of those tools in one. Again, the link is going to be in the description and comment. It is my affiliate link, but go check it out. Any questions about what we discussed today, or maybe if you want to talk about Facebook monetization in general, Marblism, AI automation, let me know in the comments below. I would love to help you out. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.